Hello and welcome everyone. Thank you very much for tuning in. This is a screencast-o-matic presentation and recording for the warm-ups for the current half of the cycle that we're on. Please remember that for warm-ups you have to copy down the question and the answer and format your content in a different colored font. Let's go ahead and get started. From Monday and Tuesday's lesson. What are some key issues affecting South Asia today, and how are these issues impactful and consequential? In this lesson we learned about contemporary events that face South Asia. Let's go ahead and get started. So one of the first things to keep in mind is that the governmental structures over there in South Asia are different, and they do experience, generally speaking, struggles of both establishing and maintaining democratic institutions and practices. For example, Myanmar right now is experiencing a military junta or coup. Additionally, the economy of South Asia is noteworthy and unique. Many of these countries do have relatively poor and developing industries in their economy, like with agriculture and manufacturing. Many stories of sweatshops of iconic businesses have become renowned to be in this part of Asia. South Asia also struggles with social issues too. Many of these countries do experience hardship and turmoil with fighting between different nationalities. India also struggles in a different aspect in light between different castes. And even though the caste system is outlawed by the Indian government, social practices of the caste system still exist today. Movement is also something to keep in mind as well. Many countries today in South Asia have seen recent influxes of both immigrant and refugees fleeing and coming from different areas. Of course, the reasons for this are eclectic and unique. However, this affects the sending and receiving countries too in a big way. For example, many people are leaving from Myanmar going to Bangladesh. From a foreign worldly standpoint, tensions currently in South Asia are flaring between different types of groups. For example, India and Pakistan have really heated tensions and relations ever since partition from the British Empire. International involvement can get a little touchy, and when you add nuclear weapons to the mix, that's when things also get more complicated too. Also, let's not forget about the environment. South Asia struggles unfortunately with environmental pollution like no place in the world. Air and water pollution has caused human and environmental degradation in both the region and the world, and some people would say that this has left a huge mark on this part of the world that cannot be rehealed. So there you guys have it, some of the things that we're going to get to later on this lesson. Now, just so you guys are aware, for Thursday and Friday there is no question of the day, so you can write in no question in unit project day because you'll be working on your tourism brochures for your specific countries. Please be sure to reference Google Classroom for details on the project accordingly. And when we come back for the new cycle, we will be in a new unit on Europe. So thank you very much everyone for tuning in, and go with completing the rest of the warm-ups accordingly.